Guys, today I'm going to show you how I implemented the runout filament sensor on a tronxy X1 3D printer with a MLC 2.0 revision 5 board, the stock board. Obviously I upgraded this one to a Marlin 1.1.9. Firstly, obviously, I charged a bootloader on it, and I configured the configuration point H to the famous 27 pin. But I found some problems. Firstly, I measured which was the cable that I needed to cut at the flat LCD cable. I used the spin out schematic. It was a 33 pin. I look for it at Mega here, this one, and I measure continuity with a multimeter to the LCD connector. I found that this cable here was the one I needed to cut and wire it to the sensor. The sensor obviously is a micro switch connected to the ground. So after that I assembled all the things and I tested it, but it wasn't working. So I measured the voltage at the 27 pin, and it was at 2.5 approx all the time. Obviously at 0 when the switch it's closed. So something was wrong here. So I looked at the configuration point H file, and I found that the pin the definition of the pins used at this board was at the Sanguino Lolu 11.h. So I looked for the tronxy word here, and I found the definitions of those pins. The 27 obviously wasn't here because of it's useless. So I looked for the 27 pin, and I found it. Obviously here is commented, but it wasn't connected. Commented. So it was used at a LED pin. So I looked at the board and I found this LED here. So I disconnected it, and this solved the problem. Obviously, you need to comment this.